Tired of getting headaches and migraines? Drugs such as triptans, ibuprofen, and painkillers can have serious side effects and often lead to long-term health issues. Leaky ice bags and wet rags can be messy or only provide relief for a few minutes. Sounds like a headache. Introducing the Aculief Headache Relief Hat, the most advanced cold therapy headache solution that provides relief within minutes. Aculief Headache Relief Hat is the #1 all-natural cold therapy hat. The medical-grade formula stays cool 5 times longer than traditional methods to provide long-lasting relief that soothes away even the toughest headaches. Aculief is easy to use in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Remove it from the fridge. Step 2. Take it out and put it on. Step 3. Feel your headache melt away. Migraines and headaches occur when blood vessels and tissue become swollen and inflamed, contributing to headache pain. Aculief's cold therapy method has been scientifically proven to help reduce swelling and inflammation in minutes, while applying a 360-degree cold compression to your head's relief points, which works on all types of headaches: migraines, cluster, sinus, stress tension, and neck pain. The buttery soft, stretchy, and breathable fabric provides a comfortable and secure fit on nearly anyone. Aculief is all natural and safe for the whole family to use. The built-in visor can also block out sunlight, which can worsen headaches. Over 95% of customers who try Aculief give it a positive rating.
It stays cool, it's wonderful, it's the best thing I've tried.
And no matter what type of headache you have, you will get that relief.
Try it for 30 days risk-free with our money-back guarantee. Get the natural headache relief you've always wanted with Aculief's Cold Therapy Headache Relief Hat.